B2B marketers struggling to turn leads into sales? Did you know enriched leads can boost your conversions by up to 30%? I'm Tony Koenig, owner of Koenig Digital for the past 18 years and founder of the Scaling Founder suite of tools. And in this ultimate guide, I'm answering the top 20 questions about B2B lead enrichment to supercharge your sales funnel. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Question 1. What is B2B lead enrichment? B2B lead enrichment is the process of enhancing your lead data with valuable details like company size, industry, or decision-maker contacts. It's like giving your sales team a treasure map to find the right prospects faster. Question 2. How does B2B lead enrichment work? It pulls data from sources like public records, social media, or third-party databases, then appends it to your leads using tools like ZoomInfo or Clearbit. The result? Richer, actionable lead profiles. Question 3. Why is lead enrichment important for B2B businesses? Enrichment improves targeting, personalized outreach, and boosts conversions by ensuring you're talking to the right people with the right message. Question 4. What data is typically added during B2B lead enrichment? Think firmographics like company size, technographics like software used, and intent data showing buying signals. These details make your leads laser focused. Question 5. What are the best tools for B2B lead enrichment? Top tools include ZoomInfo for deep firmographic data, Clearbit for real-time enrichment, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator for contact insights. Each has unique strengths. Check my course for a full comparison. Question 6. How does B2B lead enrichment improve sales outcomes? Enriched leads help sales teams prioritize high-potential prospects, shortening sales cycles and increasing close rates. Question 7. What is the difference between B2B lead enrichment and lead generation? Lead generation finds new leads. Enrichment makes existing leads better by adding actionable data to drive conversions. Question 8. How can I enrich B2B leads in real time? Use APIs from tools like Clearbit or HubSpot to enrich leads instantly as they enter your CRM or website forms. Question 9. What are the costs of B2B lead enrichment services? Costs vary. Basic tools start at $50 a month, while enterprise solutions like ZoomInfo can run thousands annually. It depends on data volume and features. Question 10. How do I choose the right B2B lead enrichment tool? Look for data accuracy, CRM integration, and scalability. My Udemy course breaks down how to pick the perfect tool for your business. Question 11. How does lead enrichment integrate with CRM systems? Most tools sync seamlessly with CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, updating lead data automatically to keep your pipeline fresh. Question 12. What are the challenges of B2B lead enrichment? Challenges include data privacy compliance, ensuring accuracy, and managing outdated data. Regular audits are key. Question 13. How does AI improve B2B lead enrichment? AI predicts buyer intent and enhances data accuracy by analyzing patterns across massive datasets, saving time and boosting results. Question 14. Can B2B lead enrichment help with account-based marketing, ABM? Absolutely. Enrichment provides detailed account data, helping you target key decision makers for personalized ABM campaigns. Question 15. What are the best practices for B2B lead enrichment? Maintain data hygiene, ensure GDPR compliance, and segment leads for targeted campaigns. Want more tips? Check my course. Question 16. How do I ensure data privacy in B2B lead enrichment? Use compliant tools, get consent for data use, and anonymize sensitive info to stay GDPR and CCPA compliant. Question 17. What is the role of intent data in B2B lead enrichment? Intent data shows what prospects are researching, helping you prioritize leads ready to buy. Question 18. How often should I enrich my B2B lead data? Enrich data quarterly or after major campaigns to keep it fresh, as contact info can change rapidly. Question 19. How does lead enrichment impact B2B lead nurturing? Enriched data lets you personalize nurturing emails, increasing engagement and moving leads down the funnel. Question 20. How do I measure the success of B2B lead enrichment? Track KPIs like lead quality, conversion rates, and ROI. Enriched leads should shorten sales cycles and boost revenue. That's it for the top 20 questions on B2B lead enrichment. Want to master lead enrichment and skyrocket your sales? Enroll in my Udemy course for in-depth strategies. Link in the description. For more B2B tips, hit the bell and let me know your top lead enrichment challenge in the comments. And don't forget to collect your 20 free leads and demo. See you in the next video. Keep on scaling.